iPhone charger 7 feet long lightning cable for charging with USB wall charger adapter or portable charger to your iPhone 13, 12, 11, XR, XS, X, 8, 7, 6, 5, SE. Also works great as for Apple iPad charger for Air, Pro or iPad mini. Flat cable style. Designed for tangle-free charging, the flat smooth cable can be wrapped away and stored when not in use, created so charging is less of a hassle with the modern, durable style. Long iPhone charger. Our 7 feet heavy-duty iPhone charger cord has a long length for conveniently charging in multiple locations to reach outlets and adapters. The lightweight cord can be used in your home office or on the go. Lightning compatible. For Apple iPhone 13 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 mini, 12 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 mini, 11 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS Max, XR, by, 8 8 Plus, 7 7 S, 6S Plus, 6S, 6 Plus, 6, iPad, AirPods, Watch. About us, TalkWorks offers tech accessories that make our lives easier and more enjoyable. Our products include phone charging accessories, gaming accessories, charging cables, power banks, and much more. Top reviews from the United States. Prettiest charging cable ever. I brought this with me on a week-long trip to Europe, and it was amazing. At my hotel, the USB outlets were a bit far from the bed, but this 7-foot cable allowed me to have my phone charging and lay in bed while using it. Loved that. A lot of times when using a non-Apple branded charger it feels like charging takes forever. This charger felt just as fast as an Apple charger. The best part was the color. I love the look of this charger, it's such a beautiful color and it truly brought me joy to use it. I really like having beautiful things. Bonus points for being a flat cable instead of a rounded one, it makes it much easier to roll up and store and pop into a travel bag.